going? This is a wee short video put together of a ride we did last Sunday. It was a cracker day, as you can see in this clip here, of which there was very few of them in April, because apparently it was the wettest April in history, or since records began, which I could well believe because it didn't seem to stop raining the whole time. But anyway, this was last Sunday, cracker day as you see. It was about 18 degrees, so the mates here, we decided to head out a wee ride on the Sunday afternoon. These are the guys, you know, these aren't the other fella I would go out with around the Sperrins and that, because that's kind of where we're heading to today again. We're heading in around the Sperrins area. We're actually going ahead to Davagh forest, which has it's best described as a large wooden giant structure of an actual giant. There's several of them in the area, or in the county I think, or I believe. But the one we're going to see today is called Stargazer. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce his Irish name because I wouldn't have a clue. But anyhow, it's based in Davagh Forest. Davagh Forest itself is well known for mountain bikers. There's lots of tracks and trails. They're all like colour coded. Very popular place for mountain bikers. But today we're heading there now. Just sit back, enjoy the rest of the lovely scenery here, and hopefully, as now we're getting into the warmer weather, summer's coming along, I will hopefully get a few more videos out, well, a lot more videos I hope. There's definitely going to be a bit more camping. There's been a few modifications to the bike over the winter time. There's some extra bits of luggage, you know. I'll probably do some reviews on some of my gear, etc, etc. But anyway, there's no point in listening to me waffle over the top of this nice scenery, so I'll let you watch the rest of the video. It's not too long, and I'll see you at the next one. Alright, see you then. Bye bye.
Stand up and get a bit of wind around your balls.